Eric wants a little backhoe action. We got a little pile of dirt here. Now, that metal thing, that elbow is supposed to be denoting that it's level. So we move this to be level, and then we push it down, and then we can scoop. So I'm gonna push it down, and do a little scoop. And then I pick it up. You can see what we did there. Pull back this stuff. So just do this. Pull it back. Back dragging is what that's called. There we go. Nice little pile. Alright, so that's the very basics of scooping. We're going to do a little more scooping here. I gotta lift this out of the way of this shelter. Make sure I don't run over that. Make sure I don't hit this. Alright. Made it through. Now, what I've been doing is digging and turning over the dirt in the garden here since we mowed it. So first things first, we gotta put it into four-wheel drive because you want as much traction when you're pushing with the blade or the bucket. I'm gonna angle it down. So see how that elbow is cast there? That means it's angled down. That's how you can tell. The edge. We're going to push it down in, move forward. It's going to dig in a bit. And we're going to scoop it. We're going to level it out a little bit now that it's down in there. Push forward. Oh, now we're running out of traction, so I'm going to lift it. There we go. And then scoop it up. So there. Look at that, man. Wow. So just to show you all, there's like sand and then like real dirt. All right, so this is yeah, we didn't have really a garden. We had like wildflowers. But we'll dump that in there. And then we'll scoop it up, you know, level it out, just like that. So that's it. And then I put it back so that it's angled back, and I use it to kind of level things out. And then I'm gonna pick it up. And so there's a little bit of a hump there. I'm going to angle it down and do a little back drag. There we go. And if you look at it, it's fairly smooth. So that's how you can scoop dirt and level it out. My little dictator here, he's trying to tell me what to do, right, Eric? Yeah, I know. What? Oh, all done? Well, he's telling me I'm all done. Anyway, that's scooping the dirt. We're going to do a little more, and there's a bit of our fall in the backyard. And it's getting to be evening. Sun setting on the trees. Take care, everybody.